Sportscard unboxing number 74 or so, I think. Oh, I need the scissors again. Cause you're making my dreams come true. Extra careful because yep, here it is. The one. So this card in perfect mint condition, somebody's selling it for $12,500 on eBay right now. Yeah, let's just say this is not perfect mint condition. Kind of got a rough edge on the bottom down here. I don't know, looks pretty good to me though. Serena Williams rookie card, I think it's 1999. Sports Illustrated for kids. Literally, if I was in perfect condition and graded, a PSA 10 would be worth well over $10,000. That one's probably worth $400 or $500 though. Archie Manning, not in perfect condition either, but it's a rookie 1972 Topps Archie Manning. Boom. Just a few more. Magic Johnson, Sports Illustrated for kids. 1996. MJ. Looks like this might be a little lot. I think this is one I bought for the kids on the team, baseball team. San Diego Padres lot. My dream come true. Should probably be peeling this tape instead of cutting it. Tempted to peel it because, or to cut it because I'm making a video. But let's be smart. And yep, this is the lot of Padres lot. Some Manny Machado, some Fernando Tatises. You know, a good mix of Padres and players and cards. Different sets. Let's see if we can free these bad boys up so you can take a gander. All right, we got a Manny Machado Topps, two of those. One of them's a chrome, so I'll probably hold on to the chrome one. Fernando Tatis Jr. Black Gold, I'll probably hold on to that. Those are pretty valuable. And this Topps Heritage, I'll probably hold on to that too. I don't know. And this other Manny Machado will give up. This other Manny Machado will give up. This Tatis Jr. will give up. And of course, this Tatis Jr. will give up too. All right, that's that. Cards for kids, cards for me. Second to last package of the day. Boots it. Give him an error. Who was that? Looks like Vladimir Guerrero, but he's lighter skinned and thinner. There's Vladimir Guerrero Jr. right there. He plays first? I didn't know that. I don't know who the second baseman is for the Blue Jays right now, but he just made an error. Oh, this is a $3 card. Paid $25 for Rookie of the Year. Shohei Ohtani, Topps Now, 2018. It's a nice one. And actually, that's it. I already opened this one. All right.